All right, you guys, it's a beautiful day. The sun is trying to come out just a little bit, so it's not as cold this morning, or this afternoon, I guess. But I got something in the mail, you guys, I want to show you. It's gonna be a real quick install today, but I wanted to bring you guys along with me so you can check it out. Anyway, let me show you what we got. Hang out. All right, y'all, so we are in the garage today with my boy Zeke. If you don't know who Zeke is, say hello. What's up, Zeke? Anyway, Zeke is my 2024 Harley Davidson Road Glide, and I got a part in the mail for Zeke today. It should be pretty simple install, but I wanted to bring you guys along with me so you could check it out. And this it ties into the last, I think it was the last video I did. I know it's been a little bit since I've been on here, but the last video I did, I believe, was the OG Moto parts video. We did a shift linkage. We also did a shifter peg. We went OG Moto with the gold plate. And what I did today is the complement to that on the other side of the bike. So if you haven't guessed it by now, guys, we got an OG Moto gold plate brake pedal. You want to check it out? Here it is. Take a look. All right, man, it's sexy, dude. Sexy. It looks really good. But what I did is I ordered only the brake pedal, and in order to put the brake pedal on the stock Harley brake arm, there's some modifications. I got to drill some holes to match the holes on the brake pedal. So that's what I'm going to do. It's 4 holes. They give you a little template with the pattern on it. You put it on your brake pedal, you mark the holes, you drill them out, and then you can install the brake pad. So that's what I'm going to do today, you guys. I want to bring you along with me. So let's get on it. All right, y'all, so let me show you what we got. Let me show you what came in the package. In addition to the brake pedal that you just saw, we got a package of bolts and washers there. You can see that. 4 bolts, 4 washers, 4 nuts, and that goes on the brake pedal, the brake pedal. And then I also got this little template. See if you could see it. It's got 4 holes in it, and it marks and matches the 4 holes that are on the pedal. So here's what I got to do. Let me show you where we're at. This thing is massive. This is a Harley Davidson bronze brake pedal that I bought after I bought this bike. I was thinking of bronze accent, so I bought this along with the Harley mirrors that you've probably seen. But anyway, this thing is massive, and I'm going to take this off. Just a couple of bolts, a couple of screws right here. I'm going to loosen those up. I'm going to pull this thing off, and that'll expose the brake pedal, where I'll have to mark the holes, put the template on there, mark the holes, and then drill them out. So that's what we're going to do next, guys. I'm going to pull this thing off. I'm going to mark the holes, put the template on there, and I'm going to start drilling it out. I'll show you what that looks like when I'm done. All right, so we made some progress. Let me show you where we're at, you guys. So you can see right here, I put the template that came with the pedal, put the template on, drilled the holes where I needed to drill them. I did have to shave this down just a little bit. This is the stock Harley brake arm. So if you're going to put an OG Moto brake pedal on your stock brake arm, it can be done. It can be done, but you'll have to do just a little bit of modifications. And it didn't take me that long, you guys. I had a grinder with a little metal wheel on it. It took me a few minutes to grind this down, mark the holes with the template, and drill them through. And that's where I'm at right now, you guys. So check it out. Like I said, grinded it down a little bit, drilled the holes per the template, and now this, man, this thing was going to fit on there perfectly with the bolts and nuts that were supplied. All right, y'all, so I wanted to show you one last step before we put the brake pedal on. I just didn't want to skip any information, man, in case you guys were trying to do this at home. I wanted to show you everything I did. So maybe you can see this, guys, but what I did is I got a little spray paint, little black primer spray paint, and I spray painted the exposed edges where I had grinded it down. It was just bare metal, so I went ahead and gave those a couple little coats. And the reason for doing that, guys, most people will recommend it. I recommend it to you is if you have bare metal, it tends to rust. It rusts a lot easier, so you don't have to worry about that as much as you would if you had just left it bare. So yeah, a little paint, a little primer. Not only that, but it looks better, guys. It just looks a little cleaner. It's all painted, it's all black. When you put the gold or whatever color pedal you're putting on there, man, it looks a whole lot better. So that's the only thing that I've done. I pulled that little template off for the drill hose. I cleaned it up. I gave it a little spray paint, a little touch, and now we're ready. As soon as this paint dries enough, guys, we're ready to bolt that brake pedal on. So just pass that info on to you in case you're thinking about doing this or thinking about going with the OG brake pedal and the stock brake arm, which is what I got here. But oh, and here's the other thing, guys. Here's the other thing I didn't mention. If you're gonna go with this and you're gonna shave down your stock brake pedal like I did, you can shave it down even further than what I did. Check it out. Let me show you. So as you can see, the brake arm, the brake pedal is the same. It doesn't stick out, right? I shaved it to where it's just underneath that. So you see through the holes, through the honeycomb in the brake pedal, you can see the stock in the back. You can shave it all the way down to here if you just wanted to see right through it. I mean, it's up to you. As long as you have a place to put the 4 holes to bolt this pedal on here, you can shave this part down as much as you want. So that's personal preference, you guys. That's really up to you guys and what kind of look you want to go for. Now, the reason I left it the same size as the pedal is just because of how my brain works. To me, it seems like there would be more stability there to have it all the way across the pedal. I don't know if that's true or not. You know, I tend to make things up sometimes. But man, this is up to you. I think it's really just personal preference. As long as you got the bolt holes there and you can mount it up solidly, I think it's going to be fine. So you make that choice, man. I just wanted to show you guys that before I put this thing on. Guys, there it is, man. We are done. We got 4 bolts on this brake pedal. You don't need to use any Loctite, man. OG supplies you with lock nuts on the back, so that's pretty cool. But it looks pretty good, guys. Check it out. So really not a bad install, you guys. It didn't take me too long. Man, the thing that took me the longest was just prepping that stock pedal. You know, shaving it down just a little bit on the edges and then drilling the holes. But even that, really, it didn't take really very long. Shaving it down took me maybe 15 minutes, you know, to get it down. Drilling the holes, man, took me about 5 minutes or so, as long as you got a good drill bit. But anyway, guys, it didn't take me very long. Install was pretty easy, and now I've got a matching OG equipment on both sides, man. I've got shifter linkage and shifter peg on the left side, and I also have brake pedal on the right. So this is just the start. Like I said before, I'm just checking out these colors, see if I like them. So far, I'm pretty happy with them. I like the way the gold goes with the bronze, it goes with the silver and the black. But that's it, guys. Man, appreciate you guys hanging out with me. As always, guys, thank you for letting me hang out with you, whatever it is you're doing today. Thanks for taking some time to bring me with you. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Have a good new year. It's coming up. If I don't see you before that, you guys, Happy New Year, man. And remember, wherever you go, guys, there you are. Make the most of it.